Do you remember exactly what you searched for on a random Tuesday 3 years ago? Probably not, right? Well, you might have forgotten, but Google hasn't. Most people don't realize this, but your phone is basically building a massive, permanent timeline of your life. It knows that on December 18th at 5 p.m. you searched, "Why does my leg hurt?" At 5:15 p.m. you drove to a pharmacy, and by 6 p.m. you were back home searching for how to make extra money. It connects all these dots to build a psychological profile of who you are, to sell that data to advertisers. It's a little creepy, right? So today, we are going to open up that secret diary, rip out the pages, and make sure it doesn't happen again. Let's see what they have on you. Grab your Android and follow along. This works on every model. Open your main settings. Tap on the search bar at the top and type Activity. You'll see an option called Google Activity. Tap that. Select your main account. Now, look for the section called Web and App Activity and tap on it. Scroll all the way down and hit Manage All Web and App Activity. And here you go. Every search, every app you opened, every place you went. It's all recorded right here in a timeline. If you value your privacy, we need to wipe this slate clean. Tap the Delete button. Select All Time. Hit Next and then Confirm. Just like that, the history is gone. But we aren't done yet. If we stop here, Google will just start collecting it all over again tomorrow. Scroll back up to where it says Saving Activity. You have a choice to make here. Option 1. You can turn this off completely. This gives you maximum privacy, but your Google Maps recommendations and YouTube suggestions might get generic. Option 2 is what I would do. If you want to keep the convenience but ditch the creepy tracking, enable Auto Delete. Tap on Auto Delete and set it to 3 months. This is the sweet spot. It lets Google remember enough to help you today, but it automatically shreds your personal data every 90 days so it doesn't pile up for years. And there you go. You just took back control of your digital timeline. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'm dropping a video next week on how to stop your apps from listening to your microphone, and you definitely don't want to miss that. Stay safe, guys.